Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about do-while statement in JavaScript. Now in our previous tutorial so far we have learned about this for loop counter and we have seen many things in action, the complex condition that adds many special features into your programming. Now we'll be witnessing about the do-while statement in JavaScript. The syntax for do-while statement is as follows. There it goes. So this is the syntax of do-while statement. That means a statement ready for execution, then comes the counter expression, and within this while statement we can see that there comes the condition. Within the second brackets of the do part, we are instructing the web page to perform a definite statement. This statement can be of varied format, starting from a simple print instruction to a complex functions, but the statement to be executed will be coming first. A counter operation will be performed. That means counter will be enhanced, will be increased, or will be decreased, or will be multiplied, being added, being subtracted, or anything this sort of formats. Those counter operation will be performed over here. All these things are as per criteria of the project. And in the last case, condition statement will be appearing within parentheses. That means the conditions will be appearing within the first brackets. It could be a very simple condition, or it could be a varied condition, a complex condition. So all the complex or simple condition, those are needed in accordance to the project, that will be coming within this first bracket. So let's see the live result. Now first of all we are going to do over here, we are going to declare a variable. For say we are declaring var num equals to 3. Now let's put on all those condition into do while loop. So this is do this, that means document dot write we are concatenating it with variable num, and at the end we are going to push on this br tag. That means we are going to stack them vertically up and down, and then we are increasing our counter. Now after that we have to state the condition over here. For say when num is lesser than 10. Now if we press Ctrl S and get back to our project and reload, and we can see that hello, this is number 3, number 4, number 5. Now we can see that all those actions are taking place over here. That means it's 3, 4, starting from this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 10, and then the looping is stopped over here. So all we can say safely that this particular do while loop, it is now in action. Now we'll be experiencing another new kind of thing over here. First of all, set this number to 23. So we have placed a variable of num against a value 23. Now keeping it up to this thing, if we just get back to our project and reload, we can see that this number, hello, this is number 23, first time it is being executed over here. But in case if we get back to a for loop and here we are placing this for say 23, so we can see that this has been now set to 23. So if we now get back to our project and reload, we can see that nothing is being displayed from this block of statement. That means this for statement is now not in action. But in case of variable num23, that means this do while loop, we can see that it is being executed once over here, and then the looping is stopped. There's no loop is now taking place. As we can see over here that this loop is now getting ineffective. So that is what we can say safely, that in case of a do while loop, it will execute at least once, even if your programming is entirely wrong. But in case of a for loop, it will never execute and it will stop execution of your looping here. So this is the thing that we need to know from this tutorial. We are now aware of using this do while loop. Hope you guys have liked this tutorial. If you guys have liked this tutorial, then do not hesitate to hit that red subscribe button down below. Hope to see you guys in our next tutorial. Till then, bye.